Well, Vigo County schools are trying to stay ahead of an alarming trend. Last night, we told you about an Indiana law effective in July that promotes suicide prevention in schools. News 10's Aaliyah Blackburn joins us live for part 2 of this report. She explains how local agencies are also stepping in to make sure your child gets the help they need.
The numbers aren't in the tens, they're in the hundreds. That's how many students in Vigo County have considered suicide. But the Vigo County School Corporation is not alone in this. That's why they're teaming up with community partners like the Hamilton Center to fight this growing problem. When there's a child in desperate need of help,
we can't take a chance of them not getting over there once we've determined they're, in crisis.
It's all hands on deck for Vigo County schools. Assistant Student Services Director Rick Stevens told us they're close to 250 suicide referrals this year.
They are coming across the board.
Many of those referrals end up at the Hamilton Center, specifically Missy Burton's office with Child and Adolescent Services.
There have been young people in Vigo County this year whose lives were saved by the referrals that were made.
When Burton started, she mostly saw high school students, but through the years, she says the alarming trend has reached some of the youngest learners.
To tell a very young person and a small child and their parent that we are recommending hospitalization is a very tough hurdle to get over.
But it's because of partnerships that Burton says they're able to help students in the area. Vigo County Schools and the Hamilton Center have worked together for several years. School personnel are already being trained in mental health awareness, so getting students help is easier.
Understand that if somebody steps in and says, "We've noticed this about your child," that it is not a blaming or shaming type thing. It's simply, we're concerned for your child and we want to help.
Recognizing it's a community problem. That's why groups like Burton's are working overtime to potentially save a life.
It's heartbreaking, but you walk away sleeping that night knowing that that person is being monitored and that they're safe.
Burton says not every school corporation has the luxury of working with their community partners. That's why she's encouraging you to reach out to your child's school corporation to find out what their plan of action is. Reporting in Vigo County, Aaliyah Blackburn, back to you.